The big question is always, how do I hold my recorder? Well, I can answer that for you. First of all, you have to take your left hand. And I can tell this is my left hand because it makes a letter L when I hold it up. My left hand is going to go at the top of the recorder. So I cover up the thumb hole in the back and I cover up the first hole in the front because I want to start with my letter B. Now, what do I do with my right hand? The right hand thumb goes about, maybe about 3 or 4 inches up from the bottom of your recorder, and it just balances your recorder like so. Now, these fingers at the bottom should just be sort of kind of floating in the sky. Later on, they're going to need to cover up those bottom holes, but for now, they're just sort of floating. I'm trying to give you every angle. And once I've got my recorder balanced, I can try letter B. I can add a finger for A or G. Okay, so let's try that one more time. First of all, I want to make sure my left hand is at the top. Cover up the thumb hole, cover up the first hole on top. My right hand slides down about halfway for balance. Now, a mistake I see kids make a lot when they first start the recorder, they try to hold it up like this. I know why they're doing it. I think they want to watch their fingers move, but the thing about the recorder, this is an up and down instrument, so you want it to be pointing down as you play. Now you're probably wondering why. If you played your recorder like this for more than a minute or two, your hand would really start to hurt. It would be really uncomfortable, but if you try this position, you'll be able to practice your recorder for a lot longer than you would otherwise. This is the way you hold a recorder, up and down. This is how you would play a trumpet.